Hi friends, welcome to the tutorial on the creation of clustered bar chart and stacked bar chart using SPSS. First let us see the creation of clustered bar chart. So here we have created a data file with these variables, and of these variables I am going to take the blood group and gender. Blood group and gender for the creation of the clustered bar chart. So here I have numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. What these numbers denote? For this purpose, let us select this column and click on this icon, value labels icon. So here 1 represents A blood group, B blood group is denoted by 2, and AB blood group denoted by 3, and 4 represents O group. Similarly, let us click on gender. Here gender 1 denotes female and 2 male. Okay, let us proceed with this. There are two ways in which we can create the chart, clustered bar chart. So one way is clicking on analyze menu, clicking on descriptive statistics, and then clicking on cross tabs. The cross tab box gets open here. We have to transfer the variables to the rows and columns. I want to keep gender in rows, gender of the student, and in the columns I want to know the blood group of the students. Then we have to click on display clustered bar chart, click on OK. Now we have the frequency table with the number of students coming under each category of blood group A, B, AB and O. Total 34 students. 8 students belong to A group, 6 students belong to B group, and AB group 8 students, 12 students fall in O group, and the same is indicated by means of a clustered bar chart. Here you have to double click on it to activate it. This is one way of the preparation of the clustered bar chart. Let me show another way of preparing the clustered bar chart. Again, here you click on the graphs menu, click on legacy dialogs, click on bar chart. There click on clustered bar chart, click on summaries for groups of cases, and click on define. Here you have to select number of cases or percentage of cases as per your discretion. Okay, then you have to define the category axis by the gender, and the clusters blood group of students you have to transfer to define clusters by. Then you have to click on titles, and titles, what do you want to show? Blood group of students. Students. Yes. Click on continue, then click on OK. Now you have the clustered bar chart. This is another way, and for activating it we have to double click on the diagram and right click on it. You can show data labels. Here data label box it's open. Here count is already there. I want to show the blood group of the students also as label, so I am just transferring here, then I am clicking on apply. So here besides showing the frequencies, here we also find the blood group of the students. So here in the male category 2 students belong to A group, 3 students belong to B group, 5 students belong to AB, and 6 students belong to O group. In the same manner, in the female category 6 students belong to A group, 3 students belong to B group, 3 students belong to AB group, and 6 students fall in O group. Again, if you want to change the color, you can change the color also by using the properties icon Here you have fill and border. You can click on it, and by choosing a particular bar you can select a particular color here and you can apply it so that the color gets changed. Let us move on to the stacked bar chart. So far we have seen the clustered bar chart. Now let's move on to the stacked bar chart. So let us choose the second way, clicking on graphs menu, legacy dialogs, bar chart, then stacked bar chart, summaries for groups of cases, clicking on define. Then again I am going to transfer the gender to the category axis, blood group of students for defining the slices by. Then click on the title box, type the title, blood group of the students. Click on continue, then click on OK. Yes, this is the stacked bar chart. So here you find the difference between clustered bar chart and stacked bar chart. Here, for activating that is to say, right click on it, you can show data labels. Yes, again I want to know the blood group also besides knowing the frequency. So again let us transfer the blood group, click on the arrow, and here count is already there. Now we have transferred blood group of the students also. Click on apply. Okay, so now the blood group is also shown here besides showing the frequency. So in male, how many count? Here you can see 6 in O group, 5 in AB, 3 in B, 2 in A. Similarly female group. So hope you understand the difference between the stacked bar chart and clustered bar chart. Thank you friends.